Sri Lanka has awarded a contract for the construction of 3 solar and wind hybrid power generation projects to an Indian company, following the cancellation of a tender previously won by a Chinese firm. Security agencies at the Mumbai port intercepted a Pakistan-bound ship from China, which contained a CNC machine that could be used for Pakistan's nuclear and ballistic missile programs. Indian Army's Southwestern Command conducted an integrated fire and maneuver exercise involving tanks, infantry fighting vehicles, artillery systems, air defense units, and attack helicopters. The Indian Navy will commission INS Jatayu on 6 March, and latest reports indicate that it will be expanded to operate Rafale fighter jets. And interestingly, this new naval base is only 258 kilometers from Maldives. The Indian Navy utilized a decommissioned Kh-35E anti-ship missile as a sea-skimming target for air defense drills, providing a more realistic training scenario for ship crews. The Indian Air Force's Nyoma advanced landing ground in eastern Ladakh has now been blacktopped, while work is ongoing to extend the runway so that it can eventually handle frontline fighter jets. Hindustan Aeronautics and the Indian Air Force are moving forward with plans to procure 97 additional Tejas MK1A fighter jets, but it will necessitate an increase in engine production by General Electric. Prior to finalizing the 97 more Tejas MK1A order, HAL and General Electric officials will be meeting in Bengaluru to address lingering issues from the previous 99 F404 engines contract for the initial batch of 83 Tejas MK1A fighter jets. General Electric plans a gradual production increase to 20 F404 engines annually over the next 2 years. However, with HAL's order for over 120 new F404 engines, General Electric will be requested to further ramp up production to 30 units annually to meet India's domestic demand and Tejas export orders. The National Security Guard is procuring 150 concealable 9x19mm carbine submachine guns, in which Adani Defence has offered Uzi Pro, Lokesh Machine Limited has offered the indigenous Ashmi submachine gun, Heckler & Koch has offered MP5K, and Brugger and Tomit has offered MP9. In a recent video released by the Bharat Shakti, Kalyani Group has unveiled its MArG 155mm 39 caliber gun equipped with an autoloader system that would eliminate the need for manual loading of shells and charges into the gun, that has improved firing efficiency and crew safety. The video also showcases newly manufactured MArG units for Armenia, which is also the world's only 155mm 39 caliber gun system mounted on a 4x4 high-mobility vehicle. With the lapse of the 30-day period for congressional review of the Indian MQ-9 deal, the decks are now clear for India to take the next steps in acquiring 31 MQ-9 armed drones with ammunition and associated equipments worth $3.99 billion. The next step is for the two sides to agree upon and sign a letter of offer and acceptance. A US State Department official has said that the procurement timelines were now with the Government of India, and with upcoming general elections in India, it is possible that the next steps will be on hold until May 2024. Today's top 3 comments.